Assalamualaikum. Good day, everyone. I hope this video finds you all well. It is such an honor for us to be able to present our paper here in the 7th FES International Conference. Our group of 6 consists Ms. Darmaliana, Mr. Zakaria, Ms. Pratiwi Lestari, Ms. Yeny, Fadia Ananda, and Andree Armayoga. Today, I, Fadia Ananda, will be the representative to present our study titled The Non-Native Speakers Hindrances Faced by Indonesian International Student Mobility Awards, IISMA Awardees at Phoenix Academy, Australia. Okay, without further ado, let's begin our presentation by delving into our studies background. We believe everyone is already familiar with the term globalizations. It is a phenomenon when the information spread rapidly due to technological advancement. And because of it, the world is slowly becoming a global community, making people to commune in the same language, which is English. As trends are changing rapidly at the drop of a hat, the industry demands higher quality of human resources. Many countries look for methods to enhance the quality of their human resources, including our country, Indonesia. And responding to this, our government created an academic mobility program, namely IISMA. However, students' experiences are varying based on their length of stay, prior knowledge about the country, and many more. So while students are able to adapt just fine, others may find it difficult to blend in the foreign society, mainly because of communication hindrances. And because of it, we wanted to explore about this problem and its corresponding solutions about the aforementioned issue. Okay, now we're going to explain briefly about IISMA. So it is an academic mobility program created by our government. And as part of Merdeka Belajar Kampus Merdeka, IISMA's policies are stemming from the Minister of Education, Culture, Research, and Technology of Indonesia, and also Indonesian Endowment Fund for Educations. And in this program, only eligible institutions are able to participate. And in our case, it is Politeknik Negeri Sriwijaya, Indonesia, and Phoenix Academy, Australia. Okay, now let's talk about communication hindrances. So communication hindrances is a problem when a party cannot understand or comprehend other parties' informations, ideas, or thoughts. So we have reviewed several studies about communication hindrances, and amongst them all, we picked the research by Robertson et al. For our theoretical framework. As you can see, the problems can be defined from number 1, lecturer speaks too fast and or unclearly, until number 7, feelings of isolations. Okay. Our study implement qualitative methods so we can gain deeper information from our participants. And our participants, consisting of 14 IISMA 2020 awardees to Phoenix Academy, Australia. We chose our sample purposefully for the objectives of our study to gain information from this specific group. And this group represents a total of 24.56% of the populations among 57 vocational awardees who studied in Australia for the IISMA program. And by using Robertson et al.'s theoretical framework, we conducted online and written interview since face-to-face meeting was not possible. And the result of our interviews were then analyzed using thematic analysis. As you can see on the screen, we are showcasing some of our interview documentations. And as you can see, we have Zoom meeting screen captures, WhatsApp communications, and lastly, Google Documents written interviews. Our findings revealed that it is still consistent with previous research by Robertson et al., where our participants face 7 communication hindrances. And by using a thematic analysis, we pay attention to our participants' answer during interview, and we have coded the factors influencing their communication hindrances. And also to answer our second research question, which is the solution to this problem, we have collected insights from our participants on how to solve the communication hindrances they face when they study in Phoenix Academy, Australia for IISMA program. Right now, you are reading some of our interview excerpt. So from our interview excerpt, we noticed that many participants mentions things like feelings of unfamiliar. However, we also noticed that our participants showed remarkable motivation within each of them. Because of this, we found that the factors influencing English communication hindrances for non-native speakers are lack of exposure to the language and unfamiliarity with foreign environment. As a final point, we concluded that non-native speakers cannot avoid English communication hindrances because of the aforementioned factors. And from our study, instead of focusing only on a negative perspective about what the students are lacking, we wanted to emphasize what they are capable of, their abilities, and their motivated characteristics, which can offer more beneficial insights to educational institutions. Now we are at the end of our presentations. Thank you for the opportunity and thank you for your attention.